Hello, English learners around the world. How you doing? I hope you're doing amazing, guys. Look at this. I'm in Moscow, and today, after college, after studying, I went to a center finally again. As in the summer, do you remember, guys, when in the summer we were filming the same vlogs to practice English? Because for me, it's gonna be a good speaking practice since I'm a learner. And for you guys, I wanna just share with you my life and give you a chance to practice listening, to learn some vocabulary. We're gonna take a look around Moscow, what's going on in the evening. We will practice English properly today. So I wanna share my life, what's going on, because I haven't been filming vlogs for a while, like maybe for a week. Like previous week was kinda lazy for me, because due to weather, it's autumn 2025, bro. Officially October right now. And due to weather, it's gray and dark, it's drizzle, drizzle when it's raining. Kind of felt bad, but right now, when I went for a walk in the center, by the way, take a look at this. This is a big theater with the columns. This is a column, and with the horse. And right here, around the corner, oh my god, I hope the sound is good. I'm sorry, bro, because it's super windy. Around the corner, this called Zoom in Russian language, but in fact it is the biggest and the most expensive shopping mall in the entire country. Wow. It is very center of Moscow. It is evening of Monday. People are going home after work. People after work going home. And in this shopping center, the prices are extremely high. Like, it's not worth it to buy clothes there. For example, sneakers, you might buy sneakers for, I don't know, bro, several $1,000s for a t-shirt, that's crazy. I don't wanna even talk about this, but it looks super beautiful as a museum. Well, right now my plan is to go deeper to the center, in the Kremlin and the park out there, because I haven't been there for a long time, as I told you before. I want to mention that we have really beautiful illumination in Moscow. You see illumination, like when the light is coming, and there is illumination for building, illumination for plants, like these lanterns, the lights. It's called illumination. And everywhere around the whole center, all the buildings are illuminated. I think it's the right word. It's illuminated by a light. So it's always pretty bright in here. It's really bright, even at night. It's gonna be beautiful. There is a park, there is a trees with some soil, and it looks beautiful. Even in autumn, it's still green. It's kind of green. Yeah, you see, some trees are already without leaves, but in any case, we can enjoy greenery in here. Yeah, this is like a main street. Pedestrians, people are pedestrians, and we're walking on a sidewalk. This is a sidewalk. It's a delivery scooter, delivery guy. And right now my mission is to cross the streets and go to the center, to a Kremlin out there. This traffic jam is waiting for turn to cross the street at this junction, right? At this junction. Well, yeah, today is Monday, and today I had only 2 classes at college. I'm a student in Russia, just simple guy. You feel me? I'm 20 years old, Andrew, and I had 2 classes, English and one more. I don't know how to call this in English, but in Russia, something like metrology, about measurement things like meter and I don't know, seconds. You feel me? About this thing. And then I had a test late at night, late in the evening at 5 p.m. I had a test. So right now after the test, it's maybe 8 or 8:30 p.m. I have a free time, and I've decided to finally go for a walk, take a walk around the Moscow. Wow, like every time when I'm here at the center, I'm surprised because I'm originally from a small village, rural life. You feel me? With the vegetables garden and tamed animals, and for me that's always crazy. And just feel the vibe of rich guys here in the center having rich cars, rich life, rich suits, you know. The vibe is so friendly. I don't know. You just want to live here, basically. Well, right now I'm in a crowd and I'm crossing the streets by a pedestrian crosswalk. This is a crosswalk, zebra. You know, zebra with a stripes, black, white, and I crossed this street right now. Ooh. Oh my god, let's go there. You're gonna wanna see, oh, it's a red light, we need to stop, but you're gonna wanna see that, I'm telling you. Can you see this bright building full of lights? It's something incredible. And the bus is coming, blue bus, another blue bus. Yeah, because public transport in Moscow is well developed. I'm going to be honest, it's really well developed. This is a hotel, parking lot for a hotel. By the way, it costs some money. It's not, it's priceless. Yeah, you can see this with the number 0. It means something, I'm not sure what. And this green light allows me to cross the street. Let's get closer to that building. It is only October, but I already feel a Christmas atmosphere of a New Year in Moscow, because in the grocery store they already put some Christmas lights and Christmas trees, even you can buy it. But actually closer to Christmas is gonna be even more beautiful, more lights in the center, like in a fairy tale. I'm telling you, like in a fairy tale. In the back, you can see, oh, some guy, I filmed him. All right, but it was a jewelry. He was securing a jewelry, like security guy. Look at this. This is a bag. This is the sneakers. This is some shoes, and it costs incredible amounts of money. Yeah. It's also Zoom collection. It's related to that big shopping mall. It's all related. It's related to something else. Like it's similar with that. It's connected. Oh my god! This like a castle or something. Look at these gates, like a pass. I don't know, pass. We can pass through it. It's like a gate and castle, bro. That's a castle. I'm telling you right now. Look. And by the way, I don't see a lot of tourists here because maybe it's late October, kind of cold outside. It's kind of cold, but not too cold for Russia, for entire Russia. It's gonna be even more, but it's windy, it's dark. There was no rain today. That's what I'm happy about. What's going on with my haircut? To be honest, my haircut, this is a haircut, it's messy, kinda messy because of wind. It's windy outside, and yeah, wow, bro, wow. And right now we need to just walk around the corner from that mall, and we're gonna come to some also beautiful streets. Nikolskaya Street, by the way, Nikolskaya Street. Oh my god. Right now, these bollards, it is a bollard, and it just came like up out of the ground, and then it went down in order to let some car go in, and then it just again went up here to create this barrier. Full of lights, and with the stores On the one side, some kind of shops, we can buy something. On another side, yes, sir. We have trees right here in the center. Like this is a birch. This is a birch in English. Wow, but here we can see a little bit more people, but it's not so many people as it used to be in the summer. In the summer, it was crazy streets. True, bro. Facts, facts, facts. Look at this miracle. This is a grocery store. Like, I think the best grocery store what we can find here. We might just sit on a bench and chill, and it's pretty clean. Wow. Is it like a Chinese store or something? Like this is a pharmacy. Like we can buy some medicine things there. It's like a Russian McDonald's and also some kind of mall. There were some souvenirs and for kids. A bench. We can sit on the bench. I'm sitting on the bench. And these people are just pedestrians with a stroller. It is a stroller for kids. This thing is a stroller. Oh, purple jackets. It's beautiful. Purple and pink jackets on people. Purple illumination. Wow. As you can see, they covered a building, a part of building by some, I don't know, tissue or something like that, but by some material in order to hide it during the construction. Not to make this building during the construction looks ugly. It is a smart decision, by the way. Take a look at this. This is the icon. And we can see many icons of Jesus, of some Jesus people, like icons of Jesus. It's beautiful. This also, this is the icon, and the cross, it is like a cross. What is this? Kinda trash in the street, not beautiful. Oh, bakery right here. Look at this bakery and sandwich. They're making for us beautiful sandwiches with a lot of ingredients, like with the shrimps. You can see this is a shrimp, many shrimps with the cheese, with the eggs. Wow. Bakery. Here we got some small church, and there we got a big cathedral, Red Square, the heart of Russia. Red Square with the red star on the top. Whoa, it's a wide space. It's wide. A lot of space for people here. And to be honest, it is pretty empty right now. It's pretty empty because it's Monday. And Monday, you see, you know, that's a kind of difficult day because after weekend, you need to some kind of be prepared for a long week. And yeah, to be honest, it's been a long week already. This building with the beautiful lights, it's also some kind of mall. Another expensive mall in Russia. Oh my God, you see this light is shining right me on the face, and it's reflecting cool right now. Look at this girl. She's filming a TikTok or Instagram or something like that. Maybe she's gonna be dancing right now. Wow. Bloggers, also bloggers. A lot of bloggers, and you can see they're also doing something. Well, it feels really good and comfortable here in the evening. I breathe a fresh air and just enjoy, you know. I hope you also enjoyed this, and I hope you learn some new vocabulary, practice your listening, and just took a look at city, at Moscow. Beautiful life. Stay happy, stay positive, bro. Good luck with learning, and if you learn, just know that you have to love it. You need to chill, watch movies, watch vlogs, enjoy this, enjoy learning, bro. And it's gonna be great. You will speak English fluently, just stay consistent. It is the main thing. Stay consistent with learning, believe in yourself, and one day you will be speaking fluently. Because it is inevitable. It is inevitable. Cool words. Alright, see you, bro. Thank you. Love you all, guys. Love you all, boys and girls.